Hey there, folks. Jeff here with My Tennessee Home Solution. Today I am in Brentwood, just off of Concord Road, in one of Nashville's most premier neighborhoods. Right here, we've just purchased this home behind us on Sherwood Green Drive as a cash deal. The sellers were ready to move on to their next phase of life. The home is in fantastic condition, but it needs a little bit of work, and they didn't want to have to put in any more effort. They wanted it to be simple, easy, quick, and convenient. And so they called us. We came out, made them a fair cash offer, and we will be closing on this beautiful estate in just a couple of weeks. So if you too have a property that you are looking to sell, give us a call at My Tennessee Home Solution, and we will see you soon.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.